My video guide is about removing the fake Chrome update alerts that are related to this website Cusj.xyz. So you can suddenly see these pop-ups from the website Cusj.xyz claiming to be some Chrome update. In reality, this is a fake Chrome update alert. The real mission of this fake Chrome update alert is to force people into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extension. Currently, the extension that is promoted is called Plus Darker. It promises people to enable some dark theme for the sites that people visit, but in reality this extension functions as a typical browser hijacker. When you start submitting some search queries, you may notice suddenly that the results are delivered by some other search engine that has not been selected by you initially. So this is all the result of these fake Chrome update alerts, and you should remove any third-party extensions which were mistakenly installed. Go to the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions here, you should disable the extension and remove the extension completely. And if you see such fake alerts, of course, the only correct solution is to leave these pages and to disregard what they tell you. Do not trust them, do not interact with these fake software update alerts or fake Chrome update alerts. Another thing you could do is to research the control panel, and if you find any suspicious programs on the list, you should get rid of them. So if you see any suspicious software here on the list, uninstall it. You also might see a lot of other ads popping up in your screen, and definitely your computer in this case needs to be more thoroughly checked and inspected. We recommend checking it with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green button, install the application, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.